it's me, Gail. Welcome to my channel. Today I think I want to do a video about moving out, and I feel so embarrassed to show you guys the room that I'm living in right now. So it's kind of scary, but I just want to make a cute vlog video. And this is my haunted hill house. Oh my god, this is so scary. This is my balcony. This is my ring light. And this is my bedroom. Welcome to my haunted hills house. The only thing that I love about this room is a TV. Just love watching a lot of stuff, YouTube, Netflix. And this is my wardrobe. Looks kind of sad, but I think I kind of like the bathroom. It just gives you that calming feeling for the color of the bathroom. Hi guys, I'm so excited to show you guys my new room. Hi guys, this is my new room. So fully furnished. This is a living room, and I just love the balcony. Just like the view that you can see there, the swimming pool. I'm beyond happy because I finally have my own place. The shower room is even cuter. I just wish that they would have the tub, but it's okay. Everything is in details. And even the color and everything. Oh my goodness. And this is my living room. It seems small for some people, but if you live in the center of city, I think this kind of decent one. And I'm so happy that I finally have my own thing. Even for this one is so cute. Look. And this is my bedroom. It's my wardrobe. That's so cute. Everything is in details. Everything is included for this room. On my bedroom, I could see some view. I could see the view and some trees. These hangers. They are beyond cute. Hi everyone, I'll be having the party today in my room. Just wanna dress up and be cute among the pandemic. That's it everyone, my new house tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm a person who thought that I would never achieve anything, and now this is a cute step. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.